Hi, welcome back to Wayne's YouTube channel. Just a small clarification, the previous video was voiced by me, Shamana, for Wayne. That's just to address the slight confusion with some of our viewers thinking that Wayne was a girl. He clearly is not. This video is a continuation from my last video with some of the unfinished work I didn't get to take pictures of, like the rental unit, bathroom, veranda, and driveway. Here is the foundation for the garage. It will be a 2.5 car garage. I wasn't satisfied with the way the original plan for the front of the house turned out, so I added the garage. As such, I'll have access to the roof of the garage as additional outdoor space. Right here, I've placed some marl on the ground to reduce the amount of red dirt coming in contact with the house. As you can see, I have already leveled, compacted, and smoothed the area. I have also added a concrete driveway to the entrance of the rental unit. My tenant has moved in and has installed their internet service wires on the roof. It took me about 4 days, 8 hours per day to dig the area out. It was a lot of hard work and stubborn rocks, but it sure was worth it in the end. If you're interested in checking out some of my work, you can find me on my website at shamana.com, or you can check out my latest single, Chant Down Babylon, available on all the digital platforms. Also, look out for my upcoming play, Power Game. Check out my website for more information on Power Game. You can find the link in the description box below. I'm planning to knock out the window on the right and open the space into a double door for the main entrance. I'm also planning on closing up a window inside the garage, just left of the door inside the house. I also have to repaint the house soon because the sun has burnt out the original paint. This time, however, I think I'm going to use a glossier paint. That's basically it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and as usual, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.